Hello everyone, I am Tina from Victoria Designs and I have another free project for you. A lot of you will probably recognize this free project from 1.5 years ago, the Gentleman Cats Specimen album. It's a very cute little album, and in the album the pages are all pockets, and in these pockets you have these specimen slides. You see? And if you even want to, you can make the slides like this, so completely see-through. Look at that. And in the tutorial I completely explained how to do this. So, and then I got the question, hey Tina, could you make a lady cats version? Hello, here it is. So it's the same project, very similar, but with different colors and of course with beautiful lady cats instead of gentleman cats. It also has all these pockets, beautiful insides, and very beautiful lady cat images. And you can also make them completely see-through. Again, you get all the printables you need to make this project for free if you opt in via the link in the description. I didn't make a new tutorial because it's exactly the same as this one, so to find this tutorial, go below in the description and find the link to that one. And to answer a question already, Tina, will you also make a Lady Cat's junk journal kit? Sadly, no, that's not on the planning, but I really wanted to give you this. So don't forget to download the free printables, head on over to the other tutorial and have a blast making this. And I wish you a very crafty day. Bye bye.